Looking for the best remote control car for your kids? Look no further. Our team has put together a list of the top cars. Whether your child is just starting out or is a seasoned RC car driver, we have the perfect car for them. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the list. List number 1, Grouseland Remote Control Car. The Grouseland Remote Control Car is a fun toy for any child. The sleek aerodynamic profile and 27 MHz controller with functions such as forward, reverse, left and right turns which easy to control and the car responds well. It simulates a really powerful engine as one can expect from a famous car. The simple 2-joystick remote control and a max speed of 5 miles per hour are fun to play with. Non-toxic ABS plastic and a glossy exterior, it can hold up well through lots of crashes. Smooth flexible wheels can reduce the friction between the tire and floor despite the number of walls, furniture, and other hard things it can freely run into around the house. Round edges to protect children from getting injury. The race car works well on smooth surface, suitable to play inside and outside. You not only play with it using the remote control, but also place it as an exhibit on display shelf. Perfect for Christmas gift, stocking stuffers or rewards and so on. The two-wheeler is a remote-controlled car that can run well and efficiently on any hard surface. We strongly stands behind each item it designs and sells. Each product we sell has passed a rigorous testing process before landing at your door. These remote control cars are wonderful gifts for kids. The thermoplastic environment of your home or office doesn't pose any harm to the plastic material of our product, which is safe for everyone including kids and pets. List number 2, Besgar TB141 RC Cars 1/14 Scale Remote Control Car. The Besgar TB141 RC Cars brings you a standard 1/14 scale remote control truck on the road. This is the last generation of toy-grade RC cars to come out of Besgar. The newly designed chassis are built with ABS plastic, making it more durable and impact-friendly. With an aluminum alloy body, which is strong against rust, this RC car can stand up to many hits in its lifetime. The built-in brushless motor delivers a stronger performance than previous generations that has a maximum speed at 30 km per hour. Its radio controller has anti-jamming features to ensure accurate control of the vehicle over longer distances. The Besgar TB141 RC cars have been designed with the youth in mind and make a great toy for boys and girls of 8 years old and above. Adults can also have a good time for sure. This remote control car has a powerful built-in brushed motor with a brushed motor control system, which makes it easy to control. Reach speeds up to 20 km per hour at full speed with a powerful running performance. The USB charger for the battery is convenient to charge and has several functions such as overcharge protection and short circuit protection. You will experience longer and uninterrupted gaming time with the two original battery packs. Easily 2.4 GHz non-interference remote controller makes it ready to run without interference enabled by its anti-jamming features and a radio control distance of about 50 meters. List number 3, Besgar TB142 RC Cars 1/14 Scale Remote Control Car. The Besgar TB142 RC car is a toy-grade RC car. Its 1/14 scale makes it easier to control, and it can reach speeds of up to 20 km per hour with its powerful built-in brushed motor. This RC monster truck is safe for all ages. It can go right around town and also off-road, because of its brushless motor. A 2.4 GHz radio controller makes it always ready to run, while its non-jamming function ensures reliability regardless of the quality of signal. The Besgar TB142 RC car has an easy-to-use remote controller, which has a 50 meters distance capability. It is the best building block for children who want to pursue cars and trucks. This RC car can be upgraded better by using it more often, so that the chassis and body of this light truck strengthen. Its powerful performance makes it an ideal tool for both boys and girls of 8 years old and older, Adults also can have relatively fun as well. The car has an automatic return function when the battery is low, which makes it very convenient for you to use. The USB charger for the battery is convenient to use with several functions such as overcharge protection and short circuit protection. And 2 original battery packs allow you to have a longer and uninterrupted gaming time. There are 2 types of batteries included in the package: a 6-volt silver oxide battery and a 12-volt lithium battery for you to choose between. The package comes with 2 chargers, a cigarette lighter adapter, 8 spare parts and a manual to guide you through assembly. List number 4, 2.4 GHz high-speed remote control car. The remote control car is a great gift for children. It can be operated easily with the remote controller and built-in rechargeable battery of high quality. It can drive on different terrains, and it can be used in any weather. High-quality car with affordable price. The car is light and durable, making it easy to use. Its tires are high grip, which makes the vehicle more stable when driving on a rough road. It can be driven longer if you use 2 high-quality batteries. The car has both high quality and long life. The 4 wheels are equipped with shock absorbers, which can absorb the vibration caused by the collision of the wheels and better protect the parts in the car. Equipped with high toughness and high grip tires, this truck can pass all roads, grassy roads, stone roads, and any rough roads. More durable than ordinary tires. The steering of the RC car is sensitive and accurate, and the steering trimming rod at the bottom can trim the steering. Bring you an excellent control experience. To maintain the stability condition of the battery, please remove it from the toy truck and turn off the truck when charging, otherwise, it can damage the battery lifespan. List number 5, Epoch Air Remote Control Car 2.4 GHz High-Speed RC Cars. The Epoch Air Remote Control Car 2.4 GHz High-Speed RC Cars brings the thrill of racing to your living room or backyard. Each car is unique frequency pairings, which means that when you play with friends, your cars will not interfere with each other at all. Let's enjoy the real fun of racing games. With its professional anti-slip tires and strong power, this off-road RC car can adapt to various terrains, whether tiles and carpets indoor or cement roads outside. These features ensure that you never get bored with, just go where you want, or, the road ahead is a head's end, gameplay. Powered by a 1000 mAh large capacity rechargeable battery for the car and 3 AAA batteries for the controller, it can play up to 120 minutes in total on a single charge. The setting of the RC car controller is industrial strength, sturdy and convenient in use. You can play for up to 120 minutes in total. This high-speed RC racing car with professional anti-slip tires and strong power can easily adapt to various terrains, whether tiles and carpets indoor or cement roads outside. This off-road RC car can maintain powerful performance, bringing you unlimited fun on wheels. Powered by a strong motor, the RC car can reach up to a speed of 15–20 km/h, giving you a thrilling driving experience.